Hi, we are Group 2A from the first semester project for Mechatronics from the A team, the best team. I am Michael. I come here from Denmark and I'm 21 years old. In my free time, I like playing computer and going to judo. I chose mechatronics because I really love tinkering with electronics, and I also already had mechatronics before I even came here, which is why I like it very much.
Okay, so I'm Daniel. I'm the second guy on the left. I come from Spain. I'm 17 years old. I've been living in Spain my entire life. I've chosen mechatronics because since I was 10 years old, I want to become an inventor and create my own stuff and get as much knowledge as I can. Well, in my free time, I do exercise, draw, play some music, and I think that's it.
Hi, I am Mihai. I just turned 19 years old and I am from Romania. In my spare time, I like to play games, to cook, and to go with my bike. I chose mechatronics because I like tinkering with things and I took a very neat interest in physics and I want to create my own robot.
Hi, I'm Noah. I'm from Croatia. I'm 18 years old, and I choose as you mechatronics because of a very simple thing that I really like to do. That's building robots, having some free time to explore some physics or 3D designing and stuff. In my spare time, I like to do exercises, go out with my friends, have a good time, and maybe I don't know.
Yeah.
Hi, I'm Kim. I'm 22 years old and I'm from Denmark. In my spare time, I like to play computer and otherwise content software to tinker with that. The reason why I chose mechatronics is because for a long time I've always liked math and physics and to some degree programming. So I thought that mechatronics was a good path to fulfill that desire.
Hi, my name is Mathis. I'm 23 years old and I come from Denmark. I chose mechatronics because I really want to tinker with things and invent stuff, maybe even become rich. Um, in my free time, I play video games and I like to go out with my friends, go drinking, and I also like snowboarding. And for the picture, for the background here, we chose it because you could see the university, you could see the canal, some greenery, and it was good lighting. It's very beautiful picture for the dream team.
Yeah.
How much?
The dream team.
Yeah, 3 minutes 55.